Shalonda, you decided that because you was a cop, that you had the right to break into your boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, somebody that you used to kick it with, house. For real? Girl, put that. Next time, make that glue go all the way down in that corner right there. Yeah, anyway. So now you done lost your job and your man. Shalandra. Shalandra, you should have known, child, that you can't control no man. You can't do what you want to do, girl. What is wrong with you? So now you a cop, a ex-cop behind bars. You know how stupid you look. If he don't want you, say bye. Cause now you finna go away. And he gonna kick it with whoever he wanna kick it with. Cause you don't own him. What is wrong with y'all? Y'all are crazy.
Been relieved of duty for allegedly breaking into her ex-boyfriend's Miramar home. Officer Shalandra Battle
Ex-officer.
is accused of unlawfully getting into his work vehicle and stealing his garage clicker. Once
So you're a thief too?
The garage, detective says she destroyed his Ring camera security system, causing up to $900 in damage.
See, this is what happens when you too pretty. You think that you're entitled to do what you want to do. So this is what I call pretty with a pretty bad attitude. Pretty with the entitlement syndrome. Everybody wants you. I'm prettier than her. I'm cuter than her. What you want her for? You pretty on the outside but ugly on the inside, Shalandra, and that's why you going to jail. Bye bye.